Hey guys, remember to like and subscribe for more future videos. So today I'll be showing you guys how I relax my hair. And as you can see, I'm placing oil around my hairline to prevent burns, and I moisten my hair ends. This is to protect the ends of the hair. As you guys can see, I'm using olive extra strength cream, and this is from Organics products. So the first thing I did was I part my hair in 4 parts, and I'm holding this part now. I'm just placing the cream and the hair itself, not the scalp as yet. I'm just placing it. As you can see, I'm using a tail comb, and I'm using the tail of the comb to part the hair to distribute the cream. As you can see, I'm lightly applying it now. And when you're parting the hair, guys, you don't want to use the tail comb, the tail of the comb, to go directly on the root of the hair. You want to stay above it, because you don't want to get any burns. And you guys can see I'm parting the hair, not my scalp, and distributing the cream on the hair, not the scalp as yet. And I'm just lightly combing it through. And no, guys, I'm wearing protective gloves because cream can also damage the skin. So you want to make sure you're well geared up. This is actually a 9-month grown out hair, so it takes a lot of distribution. So you want to make sure the partitions get enough cream so the hair can process properly. So I'm finished with this half right here, this bundle here, just leaving it and going on to the other back one. And the same process applies. I apply it on the hair. We'll make sure the cream cover all the hair, both top and bottom opening, because we want a good distribution and a good relaxed hair, don't we? And I'm almost finished with this part here, and it's going to be moving to the front. to finish, and halfway through the front. Now these sides are very important. Since this is the front, we have to distribute the cream properly. Now guys, you're taking everything slow. After we have done this process, we're going to be doing the comb through, which is combing through the cream fully throughout the hair and the scalp. And I almost finished here. As I said before, the front of the hair is the most important. Because as we know, these parts are shown more the front, the view. So we want to get that cream inside the follicles. As you guys can see, my hair is in half and then parted in four. You know guys, as you can see, I'm combing through the hair inside the scalp, guys, to get the better distribution. So I'm starting here and just applying more. So I'll be touching up the parts that haven't been touched as yet, starting from the back, one of the important parts as well. So I'm just combing up the little tiny hairs to get some of the cream. That's a little knot here. Just loosen that and just comb it down, comb it through. As you can see, more cream is even added to properly lighten the hair. And as before, how I started, it's the same process. It's just going over it, but just combing the hair through with the scalp, so everything is distributed. As I said before, you can see I'm combing it actually now. Now at the front, as I said, is very important. You want to make sure that the cream is on the scalp and is properly distributed. So I'm just piecing that in a little bit. and I use the back of the comb to paste the hair, as you guys can see. And as you see, it's finished. I've rinsed it out and everything, and now I'll be moisturizing my hair. If you can see the amount that I use, not a lot, and you can add more if needed. You can see my hair is properly creamed. Now I'll be using the Mega Growth inside my hair, same amount as before, and I'll just be massaging that into the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe for more.